Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get to look like everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Mazel, and this morning we're heading to see Mass Nevi. So please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. So once I post a new video, you will be updated. So this morning we're going to Mass Nevi to do a couple of things. We're bringing in groceries for Sunday morning. So we're bringing, him rice and butter, of course, because Mass Nevi don't like no rice without butter. Onion and chicken, and we get it chopped up before we come, because normally we ask us to do it, but there's no machete here. Why is there one? There's one, but I think it's not sharp. Mass Nevi,
Good morning.
how you do?
Good morning.
So like you're there far so this morning.
Huh?
So like you're there far this morning.
How are you there?
Yeah, man.
Breakfast time?
Yes, we are the breakfast.
Oh, so you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, Sam, the boss same way.
So how you do?
Not too bad. I give God praise, you know.
You're not expected this morning, not true?
No. I mean, just watch out this thing up the table. Go wash out.
Oh, okay. So what's for dinner today?
I don't know yet.
What do you mean I don't know yet? You don't have anything yet?
We have rice
Oh, what else?
and oil.
So you go fry rice?
What's that? No fish kind.
You don't know fish kind? No. Oh, okay. So you ready for your trim this morning?
Yes, man.
Oh, okay. Your name ever ready, no, Mass Nevi?
Yes, man.
Except when you fit throw away stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to set up outside, but we carry some stuff. We carry rice field
Yeah.
and butter and chicken. The chicken already chopped up.
Yes, ma'am.
And onion and garlic.
Yes, ma'am.
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, put them like this.
Yeah, put them in there, so?
Yes.
Okay. So you have 5 pounds of rice, eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you have 7 there already.
Yes, ma'am.
And we don't leave your butter because we don't want you to tell me so you don't want cook rice without butter.
You know,
And onion.
Yes, man. It's good.
Yeah, and it tastes good for sure. You have holy pot onion, touch it. So don't make it stay in there and waste, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, and your garlic.
Yeah.
Only one peg we get. What do you call that, Marcel?
One head.
One head, because I don't know, it's the last pack in the shop.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so the box up here, so with the chicken and it cut up already here.
Yes, ma'am.
What's in that basin? What are you making?
I some busy minute.
Oh, are you gratin?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Busy. A good thing, you know. Get it ready, yeah.
Very good for.
Good for everything. All poison for man. All this take all poison. Nobody can poison.
Yeah.
Yes, but yeah, we have 2 children. What's what we get in the farm?
Oh, okay. You soak them before you grate
Yes,
them?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Alright, so you want to get ready for go get your trim?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, go do that then. So how life, where you going with up here?
Take it easy.
You gotta take it easy.
Yes, sir. That's all you can do.
Alright, Marcel, find one chair this somewhere.
Yes. When I tell you, no, say you one.
Yeah, what is that
I
different
give
one?
one relaxed chair.
Yes,
So when
I have to put here, so.
yeah, that's pure.
oh,
I have to use when we go. So. Come, it's off, you know.
it look like it unbalanced a bit though. Like it's a go lean when you sit.
Oh, man, yeah, right, man.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Low cut you want this morning?
Yes, ma'am. So the last step, for the
You
last,
know, I'm
the last step, you may again.
I went that a long time, man.
Okay, man. When you telephone, you tell me, say, a long thing I go take it to me again. But me beard, you don't go fast.
You may not go fast.
But me beard,
You shave about 10 times, not sure?
to the month, I have to shave around 2 times to the month.
So you buy razor and use it?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Yes, Mark. Let me clean the box until you decide where you are. Yeah?
Yeah.
Brush in your bag?
Yes.
Clean my left.
Want it? No?
That's not ready for it. Mass Nevi say I want more.
Okay, Mass Nevi, you hold the brush.
I know him at you trim.
Okay, okay. Can you say never ready for it right
You
now?
can't hold nothing here, so. Not true.
Ah. Mass Nevi, this say you know, need no trim till August and now it's at June. And they almost right.
Yeah. If you never get it, of course, we never get it trim.
You just,
Me have to wait till August, you know.
yeah. You just too
August you would have got trim.
Yes. Yeah.
I'll for your barber now. You know, see you again, not true?
No, sir.
Oh, Jesus. You have to go give me money where you always can go give him. Not true?
No, I agree with that partly. Right, Mass Nevi.
Trim it, no. When the barber trim it.
When the barber trim you pay.
Yes.
And when me trim what you do? Tell me thanks.
Yeah.
No, I hear no thanks, man. Give me your money. Yeah, shave your beard.
The beard already shaved. You shave it again?
If you can't cut down
You
low.
can't cut down. Do everything I want.
And some eyebrows too.
Eyebrow and eyelash you have cut too. What's wrong?
Trying to make Mass Nevi run out of the cherries on myself.
Yeah, shape up your eyelash, eyebrow. What's wrong? No, say like when you hear low and hard of a cut.
Yeah.
Like you get a cut, man. That's why I get one spinning chair here, one barber chair.
Yeah, man.
That's me not fear walk up and down.
Walk up the 2 1. You got barber, you just spin around.
Not really up here, so you know, Mass Nevi?
No, I don't want to be. I need to touch up it.
You have to touch it. Make it shine now. Yeah, Likkle. You hooks crocodile.
Yeah. It take no time. It take no time to
You have small head.
You see, your barber not supposed to charge you enough money, man.
Yes, sir.
Half price. Your head liquor and a half a hit growing.
Grow here. Tell you, I'm going to run that so.
Yeah.
And you know, say, I should make it too much load for my head.
Who tell her that?
Yes, man. You know that.
Mm.
Ete ya little picking ya board bottom pan ya fi carry no. You board the bottom, ipan the bottom.
So why you not a hit?
When you go no water,
So,
Yeah,
where the
but-
bottom,
when you go river for water.
so the water not run out.
No. You put, when you board the bottom, you then throw water in the piece well.
Oh, board.
Yeah, board.
See that ain't you?
Yes, see that board, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay, now I'm
You
understanding.
know about that. They used to put in a drum, you know.
Yes. Yeah, man. What me tell you so see you so
Also,
much.
them do that for it,
Pick your water.
The bottom it. So you can't leak.
yeah.
And when you soak it, nothing can wrong with it.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then me look me up here carry then they see the farm. We are road spring.
Mm-hmm.
And look old.
Wow.
The day you pick your water every day.
Mm-mm.
That's you not me know say jump the like now.
Yeah.
Me not me say jump in the time.
Also, when you come with the water and have to store it in a bucket, and when you
Yes,
finish, you go back.
And when you done it, we have to go back. I don't know nothing else to jump.
So, far spring.
Yes, man, road spring. You know road spring.
Mm-mm.
But friend, I know it you pass it all the way. When you go now, when you go on a choppy, I don't have bottom side there.
I'm not chopping.
Yes, man, bottom side there. Water they cool.
Oh.
You come from under the earth.
Mm-hmm.
Never dry. Never dry. Yet no curious it in hand.
Yeah.
Dry. And one round so two. When I run it then rear. Cool.
Mass Nevi head almost done trim already.
Mm-hmm.
And your face big.
When you walk about behind you so walk, you know. Because you look head. I say for me head look up with the man head look at me say it come like say
You
a
look like
pear
a
seed.
guinea.
Pear seed. Because you look ahead man.
If you not shine on a pear seed, eh? Or pear, young pear.
Yes.
You went to church yesterday, Mass Nevi?
Huh?
You go to church yesterday?
Me have to go to church every Saturday.
No, every
Every Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah man, it's a strictly 7 day man. Today is the first day of the week, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a school teacher learn me that.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher, and you learn, man.
Yes, sir. First day of the week. I don't know why on Saturday. I do not on Saturday.
You not do nothing on Saturday?
No, sir.
So we can't come up here on Saturday.
Oh, you can't come here, but
But you not go there.
no, I'm not there. That's it.
So where you come from?
Where is that? That's it, brother. Then you come here and miss me. If you come here and never see me, you know, I come Saturday weekend, but if you come out now one of the week and see me, I read that from you to do my baby, then you don't know. I'm not going to
You not take taxi?
no, sir.
Yeah, so
I will give me, I go down a bit one brother. I give me, say, go down here, sir.
You prefer walk?
Yeah.
we go take you away.
Yes, sir. I yesterday, I see, Friday, I see police and soldier.
Where they in there?
Come across, along across road. He's on sound. So then come across road now. And turn like say then gone. I mean that you know about it, I say whole pack soldier and police in the boat. And you see when we go and I see in the corner there so this what they
park up.
Yeah, this what they park up. What we are telling say one lady, good morning my grandpa.
What say police lady say?
I don't have to me know where me I go.
You should have said, no, can't be. You should have said, me I go there so, but me no can't see if you go there.
Police,
Can't me.
soldier. Lord God. Terrible election, I know, you know. And then a bit of kill them, you know, sir.
You see them murder?
Lord gosh. Look here how them tell you, over 100 and around 150 people they kill now. But when you had a gun, you're supposed to have a gun, you know. And you're supposed to have a gun and a license gun. So you can't dead.
How you say you shave your moustache again? Stand up here, you cut off whole line.
Cut off whole line, man.
You say no one not here for give you no trouble.
I mean, if me not shave, quick me beard scratch me.
I know he'd scratch you, yeah, scratch you.
Beard scratch me.
Okay, you look young again.
I feel young in my body still.
You feel young in your body?
Yeah? I say, I know you're not fit.
Yes, I'm real fit.
If you're young, you're fit.
Yes, sir, you feel very fit.
You feel young or you feel fit?
He's young in your body and him saying fit.
No, sir. Young in our fit.
Yeah, what that weird that talk about. No, me understand.
You don't see one young pumpkin fit yet? Yeah. Young man, you know.
Well, Mass Nevi young and fit. For the pain in your hand, Mass Nevi, you don't feel it again?
No. No, one time I put on the pan.
One time?
Yes, my
So we did leave?
Yeah, my husband he put on the pan and he come out.
Oh.
He put on the back.
So it work?
Yes, man. And I tell you, say, you so pain me, you know, every night. Sometimes at night, I say, Jesus, sons. I have to get up and sit down.
Yeah.
I say, I don't know if the doctor, they stitch in my hand and never take out it.
Then the stitch now would that be thread?
It make you pain me.
No, sir.
But he would have removed that.
Some of them dissolve, you know. But like for your hand now, you know, think that take out him, man. You want to ask him?
I mean, what I mean by in the power when we go to try. When we go to clean that try, the two boys say, boy, no, used to do it. I bleed till when we go all the Christian, they have to change the whole of my clothes. They never lose that, I have blood and I go to the main wise.
Well, so they happen to you chop your hand?
Yes, sir. What Mr. Earl, I chop grass. And Jerry Johnson, we don't go to a sink with a pole paddy, a cut banana, and chop one banana and the hook him and shake his tongue pan him. And him bleed out the whole and blood kill him.
And around there in the dead.
Yes, but he never live. And the old man tell me, say, you get a cut. And you find one young banana. So one young banana, I want to just have smoke. Choppy.
Not squeeze out the
You know, you just put it on pan.
Oh.
If you never do that, you see, it's still cool back to my blood, you know. If you never do that, good sense me learn me.
You know?
Learn me that sense there.
Teacher.
Yes, sir.
You want me cut off your hair off where they on your ears?
If you hear the pan.
You're going like you're a strong man, you know, say you're young. Picking up you, man. You look younger. That's all?
Yes, sir.
I don't know where I cut off myself.
Yes.
Look brand new, Mass Nevi.
Brand new.
Yep.
Yeah, hold on your head so you hot.
No, man.
Hold up your head, man. Yeah? Let me cut off all right here.
Remember the eyebrow.
Fresh up.
Next month, I go back a doctor.
In Mandeville?
No, if I didn't try. July, no, me I go back a Manuel.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir, thank you very much.
Oh, push.
You're not
Mass
doing
Nevi. Huh?
you're not just some of the eyebrow, it's a lot.
Huh?
Eyebrow.
It's your eyebrow time. Mass Nevi, I want an eyebrow cut.
No, so you know so.
Mass Nevi, I do no style.
No,
The barber, easy work.
yeah.
You want alcohol?
Yes, sir.
So they know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
put
you
it-
want it in your hand?
Can't put it for me.
That's free, you know.
I want to know why you buy for me too.
Yeah.
I tell you, it have alcohol, but sometimes you can feel bad in the night, you know.
And nobody know if you fight, not you?
Yes, sir.
When you feel bad, you can't fight.
One.
Yeah.
When we get it up, if we have alcohol, every minute to make feel body gone and gone, then put it in my nose. I have to joke it. And that's when the sun hot like how you see time hot, you know.
Shut your eye. Nah, wake him up too much.
Minute. That burn me.
That burn?
Yeah, man. Good thing.
Whoa, on your face.
Take some in your hand. Touch your moustache.
Alcohol a good thing.
Yeah, man.
Get one bottle for you.
You need a bottle.
Yes, man. Sometimes I say, you know, you can't feel bad, you know. And you have that in your job in your head. So it helps me when we get it
Now your nose if you drop him, man, not in your head.
When you jump in your nose and your head, you go.
You don't know.
I say, how me see that this is it. Like 5 years since you call it, me have to, I must have put out 4. It makes me faint away. The doctor said, boy, me have sugar. Oh, I need that dome.
So Mass Nevi, we have a donor who sent donation for you here.
Yes, ma'am.
We hand it over to you in a little while.
You tell me that whole of money.
Oh no. Can't tell when.
No. I give you something to me again. God always provide a good thing. See, God them the day when they find me couldn't find me. God is a God. Anyway, the man there. God them make somebody.
I pray, make we find you.
You know, most other man don't know so me pray. I mean, what a man pray for me, I see them go down a church and talk about to pray for them. Pray for me, they want to your mouth. You can't pray for yourself.
We tired, you know?
No most man, they no most tired, sir.
So tap pray, make we get for rest.
You can't tell me pray, brother. you do that, stay to pray. I said to my night when I go to bed, I'm going to pray, I wake up in the night and pray. Yes, sir.
What you feel remember to pray? What you think about? And you one.
Sometimes you sleep with the QA, man. And as you go to your bed, as you do, you go pray.
You don't feel lay down for pray. You feel enough. When you go to your bed, you go for sleep. So pray before you go in your bed.
What's that? Sometimes you go first.
You can't wake up and pray too, man.
That's what we do.
No, I know that you can't do it. That you do.
That's me do.
That you do.
Prayer is the hard thing.
Yeah.
Someone pray for you tell you dead and nothing never come. No sickness can get better and nothing can come. So you know how to them prayer go to. Careful pray for prayer. And your heart clean. But somebody heart not clean.
Use some coconut water. Wash off it.
Yes, sir, true. Come on. So I tell you, boy, sometimes something will take you. If you say never take me, man, all you come and you don't get all coconut with me. When you coconut over the beer, coconut tree, beer, and I'm red coconut, you know. You see, I tell me and my boy, they go out and drink around 4.
Yeah.
And big.
You have to drink enough because you can't carry it.
You know. Jackfruit, what I tell you. What I tell you, go over no easy. So land over there in the place if you walk.
Yeah.
You swallow on the land. Oh God. Every man doing a farming. Other people don't want nothing.
True, man.
Where the fertilizer come and take you. To give poor people and take you.
What then do with it?
You take it silly.
Alright.
Yeah, my boss, morning.
Me get a buy news, you know. How much one ton of fertilizer come? And none of the farmers they don't get none. I see them have poor people. They back poor people.
Yeah, that's why they nobody not get none because nobody not poor. Because for poor people they can't find none, so they sell it.
Me remember those, sir. Remember when I was a little boy? They must say everybody a bastard. Bastard, if your mother no married to for your father, you're bastard picking, you know, no claims. And Michael man to come in and say,
No bastard not there again.
aye, they never look on him. It's not all them say about all of you a bastard.
Yeah.
We would have no talk. Oh. Nothing.
Everybody laugh. Everyone laughful.
No. Michael said, no bastard not there again. The bag woman say,
I will work on vehicle and I throw something up in your yard.
I'm seeing a son come in. Yeah. Go look me. The woman for the place.
Yeah.
Him son, you don't know him.
We not done with you, no?
Yes, sir.
You cook your dinner?
Yes, man.
Where you cook?
Cook. Rice, you know.
The dinner you cook, man.
Rice,
You buy chicken today?
yes, brown up chicken. I nothing brown. I go brown and left some for tomorrow.
Oh, you have brown up here and leave some for tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
I just get some whoop brown in the company.
Browning?
From
You didn't have browning, no?
You can hold.
I know heap in a buckle we carry it.
No, sir, you know want plastic mix.
plastic?
A seasoning.
Season.
Mm.
Oh, that's in the
Powder season.
Not plastic.
Those little bit.
Yes. So, my piece.
Alright guys, this is where I end the video for today.
Yeah, put the thing for me this ticket.
You want the mic? No, we not can no mic.
Our different life.
Oh, different thing.
Mass Nevi,
Yes, sir.
say thanks to the donor.
Thank you, God bless you, no brethren. God bless you, no the boss. You never empty and you can't empty. Cannot empty. You think you don't know what's
The basket he might empty. Then we throw water and then not turn. Not joke. Alright. Alright guys. This is where I end the video for today. Thank you for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Bye bye.
Yes, blessed love, guys.